Hello everybody, got something new today. I've got a box. You want to see the box? Here's the box. It arrived all the way from Germany. We're gonna open it up, see what's inside. Let's do it! Alrighty, we have our box. We've got a cutting device. Let me just take a seat while I avoid all of the equipment. We've got a box addressed to Company of Wizards. Thank you very much. Musikding. Not sure if I'm going to pronounce it in German or English. Musikding? Music Thing from Germany. And they are a electronic shop selling all kinds of electronics of the musical variety. And I ordered some stuff. We're opening it up. It's the box. What we got in the box? We don't need that. We don't need that. What do we have here? We'll start. Oh, we got a big one. What do we have here? What do we have here? What do we have? I'm just taking it all out. Just taking it all out. We're going to have a look at it individually. So, this is what I got. First up, we've got ourselves a nifty little tool to hold chips and stuff with a little magnifier on top. Man, this box is tiny. I thought it was going to be bigger. Let's open it up. See what's going on. See what's going on the inside. Whoa, I thought this thing was going to be way bigger for some reason. But it does feel pretty chunky and hefty. So they call this the helping hand for soldering stuff. It's got two little arms, robot crab arms, chaka chaka chaka. And a couple of pins so you can, yeah, basically, oh wait, this is supposed to go like this, like this. Cool. So this way you can have any electronic board kind of locked in this grip. A little magnifying glass to see what you're doing. And then you can solder away. Does it stand up? It does stand up. Nice going, looking sweet. What else we got? Struggling to open the box. I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna unravel everything that's in this box, but it seems to be my soldering iron, complete with stand, sponge, power switch, and controls. I'm just gonna leave these in the box for now because I feel like it's the least exciting of the bunch. It's a soldering iron. What else do you want? It's a soldering iron. It was cheap. Looks good. I like it a lot. But for the main event, this is what it's all about. We got a couple of parts here and there, and of course this little bag of nifty things. Now what this actually is, it's the Acapulco Overdrive kit. It's like an overdrive distortion based on I think a Sun Model T amplifier. And we're gonna build it. Now, I wasn't sure what this was gonna look like. But if you order this package, you're gonna get all the parts, as you know, just like this in the plastic bag. And yeah, it's got a switch. It's got some boards. I'm gonna leave this in the bag until I'm actually gonna build it. But I just hope all the parts are there. Looking pretty sweet. We got some wires too. All kinds of electronics. Now, I'm a total noob. I have no idea what is what. So I'm just going to put it down and leave it there. But yeah, it's the Acapulco based on the Earthquake Devices Acapulco Gold. So we're going to build that. I got it with the casing so that I don't have to make my own. When we build our overdrive distortion, it can just go in here. We don't have to build our own case. And I got this huge ass knob that that's just gonna go like right there. Looking pretty sweet. So that is what you get when you unbox some stuff from Musikding.de or musicthing.com or .de for Germany, Deutschland. And that's what you're gonna get. I can't wait to get building on this thing. But that's gonna be a whole different video. So thank you all so much for watching. If you've ever wondered what it's like to order your own DIY pedal kit, well, this is what you're gonna get. See you on the next video, everybody, where hopefully we're gonna start building some. Mew!